Hi and welcome back into this channel, and thank you so much for clicking to the video. So today I am going to show you how to delete one photo from multiple posts on Instagram. So first, what you need to do is to open your Instagram app on your phone and then click onto your profile on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then click on the post that you want to delete a photo from. So in here, so in the upper right corner rather of your post, you will see three dots, and you just need to tap on it and then select edit, and you will actually see a trash can image, a trash can icon on the top of the picture. And so what you will need to do is to simply scroll on the photo that you want to delete and then tap on the trash can icon just like that, and then click delete. So this action will automatically delete the photo, and then to finalize the action, you just need to click on this check icon right here on the upper right corner of your screen, and that will save. And then after that, you will no longer see the photo that you deleted earlier. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.